Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. I had this idea real quick. It's a simple way where you can basically make endless money. It's like the secret, I think. And why I'm in this room here is because I was kind of looking at something that would resemble this video I did. If you look around, you see gold, or at least the color gold. I don't know if it's real gold, but the power of understanding that everything you touch turns to gold, you know, hypothetically or whatever, everything you touch turning to gold. That's such a powerful concept. I cannot stress it enough, how powerful that really is. Because throughout life, not just in making money or doing business or anything like that, or whatever actions you take around that, but in every area, try to go above and beyond, go the extra mile, and everything you touch turn to gold. Do your best with everything you do. I just feel like that's one of the most valuable lessons, skills, whatever you can possibly do in this life when it comes to terms with crushing it, just making a lot of money, or just winning in life. Everything you touch, turn it to gold. I don't know if that got it in the camera, but anyway, everything you touch turn to gold. You're gonna win in life. I swear on that principle right there. And I learned that from Tai Lopez. We all know who Tai Lopez is. He's one of my favorite mentors I ever had. Throughout all the content I watched when I first got started on my journey when I was way younger. I don't even know when Tai Lopez went into the scene here of YouTube. I think it was 2018 or something. And I was in high school or junior high or something, but that wasn't what started the spark for me to want to be an entrepreneur. I think I was born that way. But more importantly, what really sparked it for me was when I saw this other ad when I was really, really young, and some dude was at some mansion. I bet he rented the mansion and stuff. And he's talking about how he was making $30,000 per day with ClickBank, affiliate marketing. And I was like, holy crap. He was kind of walking around as like a house tour of that mansion. And I was like, yo, I'm motivated to do this. I don't care how I'm going to do it, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to make this work, but I'm going to go all in and not give up and just figure this out. I'm going to crack the code. But I failed so many times. I couldn't do it. And so I don't have the secret to everything I touch turn to gold. But my point is, you know, do your best to be able to accomplish that. To be able to somehow everything you touch turn to gold. Ready? So I'm going to touch this toilet and it's going to turn to gold. You ready? What the? Bruh, why did it not turn to gold? What the heck? Okay, I guess I don't have the ability to turn everything into gold that I touch, but I tried. Oh well. Just kidding. You get the point though, right? So anyway, if you guys want to learn more powerful lessons or just advice I think of whenever I'm going throughout my day each day, doing what I do, check out the Money Accelerator. It's going to accelerate your income. It's going to accelerate your life. It's going to accelerate everything about everything you do. So I just wanted to make this quick video, share some thoughts I had at the moment, and that's what I do. So thank you for watching, and check out more videos, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.